So Sharps, Pig and Pet, sent me, okay, not for you, sent me a sample of their chicken feeds. And you guys know I talk about them as my #1 choice for pig food long before I even started this channel. But they now have rabbit food and chicken food and all kinds of great stuff over there. So they sent me a sample, and I've been giving them, they have like treats and everything. So I've been really spoiling them, and this is the result. So they see me out here, right? Okay, ready? Here we go. I can't get them to leave me alone. They follow me in the house. They try to get in my car. Yep, it's approved. They love it. Unloading the car, and I left the door open for a second, and I turned around, and this entire train of chickens was following me through the house. Yeah, they're worse than dogs. So we have spent the first part of the day over at the farm next door, cleaning it all up and stuff, and now we're putting together a playhouse for the goats, because I'm obsessed with watching goat playing, fainting videos on TikTok. So I decided mine needed one too. He's gonna figure it out. I'm positive. Did it. Emus are super concerned. It feels like it's gonna rain. Testing it for integrity. Any weaknesses that could injure a goat. We have to put this one on.
It's so narrow.
Another day, more fencing. Well, that sounded like thunder. So we're trying to run 2 strands of barbed wire underneath the hot wire that we did the other day, all along this land. So we got Mom and Brandon and Andrea and a dead stink bug. This is what we're doing till we get rained out, probably. Got a long ways to go. I'm just laying in the sun. This is the baby dairy cow. It's very socialized, clearly. It's so nice out. What? You can get over here. You can come cuddle. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. Here's your big puppy. So you've been watching us build some of the cow fence. We're also working on putting the finishing touches on the animal houses. I think the mammal one is the first one you're going to see, and then we'll do the reptile one. We've also been doing just a ton of general work at this other farm. It needed, yeah, a lot of fences torn down, a lot of fences put up, a lot of cleanup. We have those cages that you guys saw us take apart and move here that are going to be for the USDA requirements to take in more exotic animals, wildlife animals, illegal pet trade animals, things like that that we want to qualify for. So we need to get that all mapped out soon and start putting those up, and expanding the pig pen, and finishing the animal sheds, and finishing the cow fencing, and clearing up. You get the idea. You guys seem to really like my vlogs lately, which makes me so happy because I love making the vlogs. And I feel like that kind of translates in these videos, which is perhaps why you all enjoy them more. That's a chicken coop. Not for baby cows. Look, chickens are so confused. What are you doing in here? What are you doing in here, baby cow? Being lazy in the sun.
This is what we've got. So what I did was somehow, when I was trying to get the auger attachment on, I broke it in half on the right hand side. So this piece should actually attach right there. It's getting colder, it's getting darker. I gotta get it done, or at least I gotta try to make sure the piece I ordered will fit and work. All right, hadn't been out here too terribly long. Replaced the broken one, broken piece on the ground. Duncan helped out, but fortunately he did it in about an hour, replaced the part, and now we can feed the animals the hay. So got pretty lucky there.
We're getting drywall for the ceiling. And we just went to the dump to throw away some stuff, throw away our old mattress because we upgraded to a king. It's been wonderful.
It's okay, I got this. You're good. I'm totally good. It's a one-person job. Keep filming.
For the record, I tried to help and then he was like, no.
No, it's not what happened. What'd you do?
No, that was already like that. Anyways, so we're doing this and then we're going to back to the farm and then we're going to Goodwill.
Yeah.
And where else? Oh, to check
Tractor
Starbucks
Supply.
for a cup and then Tractor Supply. And then to his parents' house for dinner. And then home to watch Deadwood and edit. This is a great day. So we're making a pit stop real quick because I've talked about this in some of my other videos, but one of the, just a strange thing that I'm obsessed with is Starbucks cups. And I want to see what they have here. So we're just gonna run in real quick and check because he fully supports my cup addiction. I don't know why.
They'll be back on force, so.
We're in Goodwill. I wanted to try one of these pillows forever.
It's a worm pillow.
It's not a worm pillow. I'm pretty sure it's a pregnancy pillow, but I've heard wonderful things about sleeping with them. So that's happening. What else do we find? Bath and Body Works candle holder. This is for my mom. You're welcome, Mom. I know you're gonna watch this.
Didn't got it.
Yep.
Except the pillow.
No. No. You're gonna put it back. Update on little rescue beagle everyone loves. One of her favorite new things is to hide under blankets. She loves small, dark, safe spaces, so snuggling under blankets makes her pretty happy and she feels very safe. She does awesome with the other cats and dogs. She has not been a problem at all. She's still pretty skittish though, so needs a lot of socializing before we can adopt her out.